How to watch movie on YouTube. First of all, head over to your application YouTube and make sure you are logged into your account. Head over to the library section at the bottom right corner. So here you'll find the option of your movies. Tap on it. It will land you on this interface. Right here you should be able to see two options, browse and purchased. For me, you can see that there is no any options like that. In this case, you can try updating the application and you might get the feature. Once you have that feature, it will land you on this interface like this. In the browse section, you will get to see tons of different movies. You can select or search for any of the movie that you prefer. Just below the movie, you'll find the option of buy or rent. You just have to tap on it and make the payment. Once you have purchased the movie, you will find the movie in the purchase section. You can simply tap on that movie and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can watch the movie on YouTube. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.